Kaso wala na silang timeout eh. Tayuan mga USA team oh. Pwede 2 points ko lang na, tapos paulin ko. Sablay ko yung isa.
And that'll put him up 2.
Ayun nga no, pwede pa maka 3 seconds pa eh. Hayaan ko na lang siguro.
And a tough break as his second attempt is
wala na,
no
binato
good
na.
at the line. The visiting club takes the win on the road. With the late victory, they
wala na
upset
sila
plenty
timeout,
of these
boss, eh.
hometown fans.
They really should take this win to heart. When the pressure was on, they stepped up and worked twice as hard to overcome it.
And that's going to do it tonight, folks, for our broadcast. For
Boss, ito na boss, turo ko yung ano
Grant
boss oh,
Hill,
yung
This is Brian Anderson.
Chamba nga
Thank
boss
you
eh.
for watching tonight's game. And
Brownlee
as we
ano
leave,
natin talaga
we present
dito.
our player of the game.